And this is causing issues like chats not responding, prompts getting stuck or reappearing, and even safety warnings showing up incorrectly. This is not a problem with your device, browser, or internet connection. It is happening because the backend servers are unstable and some models and services are temporarily affected. When this kind of outage happens, the system sometimes fails to process your message properly. That's why you may see your prompt return back into the input box or the chat freeze without generating any response. In some cases, the safety warning message also appears repeatedly, even when your prompt is completely normal. These are all side effects of the server not handling requests correctly, rather than any issue with your account. The only real confirmation you need is the official status page, which shows ongoing incidents and degraded performance across Claude services. If it shows an active outage, then there is nothing you can fix from your side, and the issue will only be resolved when Anthropic restores full service. During this time, common troubleshooting steps like clearing cache, changing browser, or disabling extensions will not fully solve the problem because the core issue is on the server side. You can still try simple things like refreshing the page, opening a new chat, or switching to incognito mode, but these are only temporary workarounds and may still fail until the system stabilizes. In most cases, these outages are fixed gradually, starting with partial recovery and then full restoration of all models and features. Once the servers are stable again, all chats start working normally without any changes required from your side.